Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change DPI settings in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to change your DPI settings, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for about phone. First of all, we're going to enable developer options, so open your about phone and here just look for software information, tap on it. Here you will get build number. Here you must have to tap on it almost 7 times to enable developer options. Just tap on it. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You can see allow development settings. Just tap on OK to enable developer mode or developer options. Just go back, go for main settings, and you will get developer options here. Tap on it, and here go for search and search for minimum width. Here's that. Just tap on it. Here you will get the settings. Just tap on it. And here you can easily change your DPI. Here's the 400 DPI which I have set it. So in this way you can easily change your DPI settings in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.